we divide 897 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down this 9 and it is 39. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 4. So again we put down this 7 and it is 47. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 897 divided by 5 is 179.4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.